the need to stop and think.
Exactly.
Sometimes if you're running around and
Hey, this is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I'm using, I turned it all the way off, didn't mean to do that. I'm using this little radio I showed you in the previous video, and I'm on shortwave, and I'm getting something. I'm going to let you listen for a few minutes.
How are your siblings doing?
they're working hard right now.
Zoom in here.
Are they following the footsteps of your father and mother in terms of their faith?
About 9.2 something.
You know, I leave that to them. The one thing
I do have
I don't ask.
a piece of wire clipped to the antenna. It's kind of strung around my room. It's about 20 feet, and it just wrapped back and forth in my room. I don't think I can show it to you. I'll try. Of course, my camera won't focus. There it goes. So it starts up there. It's hanging down just below the whiteboard. Goes across the room, up there, over to the other side of the room, and then back down to the radio. So that's the antenna it's using. There, it's clipped on right there. And I've got my STR Play radio with a outside antenna, my 120-foot MFJ antenna, and it's tuned to 9.265, which is WINB. I believe it's INB, not 1NB. Yeah, it's INB, which is in Pennsylvania. And it's coming through on this little radio. So I'll turn it up on my SDR.
And number one, we have a good time. So whenever we visit my dad, we right down to his bottle.
Okay, now I'll try to turn it back on, or turn it back on this radio.
Fever, things like that.
It's clear.
Like you can't say I have a fever, right? Or I was choked on food, or I have congestion in my chest. You couldn't say those things.
Doing pretty good, and
So
I got a couple other
we had a
Spanish-speaking stations.
And so we would always
Down in the lower part of the band. It is 8:36 p.m. It's picking something up on shortwave. This is a cool little radio. Thanks for watching, and have a great day. Bye-bye.